The second hole at Palmares is a long par 3, playing 208 metres from the back tees. Set on elevated ground, the tee shot plays downhill into a prevailing right-to-left wind, a challenge that demands both control and confidence. The green is shaped like a clover leaf and is well defended, with a solitary bunker guarding the front right approach. Tee shots played low and under the wind, aiming to the left side of the fairway, can often feed down onto the expansive putting surface, making use of the natural contours. A well-struck shot here offers a real chance at par or better.